Hello folks, Sam Owens here, and we've got a product that could be very handy around the house, and that is the Arrow Drywall Screw Assortment Kit. And there's 320 assorted drywall screws. Now they say drywall, it's just predominantly used in drywall. They're black and countersunk head, flat. But they will work in a lot of different other applications. They're very sharp and go in really quick. This is how they're packaged. Take the kit out, so you've got you a nice kit here which you can hang up on your pegboard so you can really see it. All the sizes are there, right there. There's going to be documentation in the upper right hand corner about the specs and usage and some information about the screws. By the way, Arrow has been around since 1929. Very popular tool brand, screws and attachments, connectors. Okay, this is how it comes, and right here they show the different assortment sizes all the way up to the 3-inch right there. Very sharp, and I like the way the bits fit right in there, very tight and deep, and actually they hold in there. Look at that. I mean, that makes it good where you don't have to worry about it falling out. Okay, we're going to take a piece of 2x4 and we're going to run an assortment of screws in just to let you see how they look going into wood. And we're going to take the smallest one, 3/4, right there. Go right over here. And I'm going to put my clutch down a little ways. And see, I'm going to take the next one, which is 1 inch. Perfect. Oh, I can go down with it a little bit. All right. Next one's 1 1/4 inches. And I like to have the assortment. You can get the screw that fits the job you need. And they go down nice. And the next one, 1.5 inches. So that's a popular size. And you see, it's just not barely going to go through. It might put a dimple on the back, 1.5 inches. Goes nice, no. All right, 1.5 inches, and a 2-inch right there. Now that's going to go out the back side of it. So maybe you've got another piece that you're going to attach to it. Now you see this goes through it, but if I were going to attach these two pieces there, this would go in just fine, and we're going to try that and see how that works. 2 pieces there. This might be something we need to do. Perfect. All right, and now 3. Let's just see how he goes. I'm just going to put them right on through here and come out the other side. Okay, I got to give her some more juice. There we go. Perfect. And this, I'm going to go in just a little bit more there so it's flat, flush. Okay, there you go. All the screws tried out, and we've got lots more. Arrow Drywall Screw Assortment Kit. It may be just the thing for you and your next job where you need just that right size screw. This may have it. All right, I want to thank you very much for watching my video.